Hi everyone, welcome back. Is your Maya eSIM stuck on activating? In this video, we will show you quick solutions to fix the issue and get your eSIM working in no time. Why Maya eSIM not activating? The eSIM may not be activated properly. There could be compatibility issues with your device. Network congestion or service outages may be affecting connectivity. Your device's software may be outdated and require an update. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that Wi Fi is turned on your device. Attempt to access a website or an app that needs an internet connection. If it fails to load, there may be a problem with your connection. If you are still experiencing difficulties, restart your device by turning it off and then back on. For Wi Fi users, unplug your router, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it back in to reboot it. Fix 2. Check coverage. Make sure you have a good coverage in country you traveling with. Go to Maya coverage map. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your country name or address in the search bar. Make sure you have enough coverage to use Maya eSIM there. Fix 3. eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then scroll down to compatible device section and check the available list. If you see your device's name and model, you can install eSIM in your device without any issue. If not, you cannot install the eSIM. Fix 4. Reinstall again. Open the email you received from Maya Mobile and locate the QR code for your eSIM. For iOS devices, go to settings, then cellular or mobile data, then tap on Add eSIM. Click Use QR code, scan the code provided by Maya Mobile, follow on screen instructions to complete the process. For Android devices, open settings, go to Network and Internet, select SIM Manager, select Add eSIM. The steps might vary, it depends on device. Scan the QR code provided by Maya Mobile, follow on screen instructions to install the eSIM. Fix 5. Update device's operating system. New updates ensure that your device is compatible with the latest eSIM technology and features offered by carriers. For iOS devices, open settings, then general, then tap on software update. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available, tap download and install. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. For Android devices, open settings, tap on about phone, software update or check for updates, then download and install. If the option is not available, your phone is already running in the latest version. Fix 6. Contact support for new QR code. If problem continue, reach out to Maya Mobile Support for assistance or a new activation QR code. Go to Contact Us for support option. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Fill out the form with your email, subject and details about your issue. Include screenshot of issue if possible. You can also use the chat feature for immediate assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.